So today we'll see the simulation of Fibonacci series with 8085 simulator, which is online available at www.sim8085.com. Now before we start with explaining that simulator, let us see what is our problem. Problem is write an assembly language program in 8085 to generate the Fibonacci series. Let us assume Fibonacci series is stored at the memory location 3050. So at 3050 we are storing 00. At 3051 we are storing 01. And what we want that after execution of program in 8 consecutive memory locations, the Fibonacci series should appear. What is Fibonacci series? 0001. So addition of these two 01, addition of these two 02, addition of these two 03, and so on. Right? So from 00 to 22 should appear from the memory locations 3050 to 3059. Let us see the program. The program is quite easy. Here we are using HL register pair as pointer to the memory. So we are storing the value 3050 into HL memory HL register. That is why we are using the command LXI H, 3050. Next is we want to save 8 memory Fibonacci series for 8 consecutive memory locations. For that we are using the counter MVI C, 08. Thereafter we will clear the contents of B. Basically B and D we are using for storing 0 and 1 first. That is why we are moving 0 to B and 01 to D. And thereafter we will move the contents of B into memory. That is at 3050 will increment the memory pointer, that is it will be 3051, and will store the content of D. Next what we have to do, that we have to move the contents of B into accumulator, because we will use addition of the two numbers with the help of accumulator. So move A, B. Thereafter we will add the contents of D to accumulator. So we will add 01 into 00. And then we'll store the contents of accumulator into D. That is, the new contents of the second register is 02, which was earlier 01, and we'll increment the memory location and we'll move the contents of accumulator into memory. Right? So next memory content is nothing but the 0 plus 1, that is nothing but 1. Okay, and we have to decrement C. C is nothing but our counter of 8 numbers, and we have to repeat these particular instructions. These instructions we have to do it continuously until the value of C becomes equal to 0. So each time memory will be incremented and it will store 1, thereafter 2, thereafter 3, and thereafter so on, the series up to 22, and thereafter we have to halt the program. Now this is the Fibonacci series program that we will be loading into the processor. We have done two changes, that we have moved the accumulator contents 00 into the memory location with the help of the command MVI and STA, and we are using the label again for jump if not 0. So this particular program will, so right now we'll demonstrate how to do it with the assembler. So today I am going to demonstrate you one 8085 simulator, which is available on www.sim8085.com. Once you open this site, you will appear the screen that is in front of you. Now here let me explain what you have to do, that you have to type assembly program in this particular space that is given under main.asm. This is the view of the memory, and the program we are loading at 0800H memory location. and the register contents are shown here. For example, accumulator value is 0, PSW program status word is 02, register pair BC is 0, D is 0, HL, SP, PC, and all flag status are shown to you. Now let me demonstrate you in short how we can modify and see the results, how we can write the program and we can see the results. Let us understand a simple instruction MVI A comma 08H. What this instruction does? This instruction will copy the contents of, it will copy the content 08 into immediate register which is specified as accumulator. And let us stop. Now before we see the result, you see the value of accumulator is 00. Okay, so here I am cutting and pasting that particular program of Fibonacci series. The program I have already explained you earlier, but here let me explain you once again that this is the memory view. So if we want to store something in memory, we have to store it through computer program command, that is MVI A, 00. So it will move the content 00 to accumulator, and that we have to store in 3050. Second is MVI A, 01. So this 01 we are storing in 3051. Okay, and now let me show you that once we compile this particular program, what we have shown in earlier program and this one, here you have to give some label name, not the memory location address. For example, here I have given the label name as again. So jump if not 0 again, like this. Now we will compile it and we will see the results. The results in this case, they are stored in